Good morning and again welcome in Farmindia work. So what we do today. So another farm, another day, another crop, but work is same. We today remove some little crops from our cotton farm. So let's see. So today we are in our cotton farm. Here is not too much leaf, but if we don't remove it today, then if rain is coming, then this land is so much wet and tractor will not go in this land, and then our weed is very well growth. So that process we need this equipment and 3 men, one is driver and 2 for handling this equipment. So this process we sacrifice our 3 hours in a day and finally achieve a very clean farm. So after 3 hours we finally complete one work, but it's farming day. Here so much go on. So we are going to do another work. But if you are free, then comment in this video how much you like this video, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.